All right. Now your head's on the left. Now twist. Same. One. Now get ready. You're going to turn the right. Turn the right. Yeah. Now get on the left. Twist. Now where's the arm? Circle. Right. Okay. And step back. Back to the right. And you're going to turn the left. Whoosh. Aha. And ready. Back to the right. And here goes the left. Yeah, because it's always, as you jerk the arm up like that, it becomes heavy, you see? And you see, that's what's throwing you off. There's nothing in this arm. There's nothing, that's it. Woo! Left knee, left toe. You just turn, and the head stays on the right. It's very easy, very little force. Bing. One more time. Because when you start from here, go back there. See? Get off the foot, go back there so you can go into it. Back up so you can go into it. That's it, Julie. Right. Okay. Okay, ready? Now back to the left, back to the right. Yeah. Back to the left. Left knee, right arm. Yeah. Twist. Back to the right. Back to the left. More. Okay. And. Okay. But the main thing with this en dedans turn is that you have to know you're going to start from here. And this arm has to finish here. And then it has to go farther so this can come through, and then this one goes right. You have to go more. You've got to reach. Yeah, but the right arm going back is what brings the left arm forward. Always remember that, right? Because an arm moves back, the other one is brought forward. One leads the other. Okay, that's the main thing. Because mostly your placement is okay, but you're not finishing the turn. And then, yeah, but yeah. So the right arm goes, and then it reaches back, bringing the left back. You know, go right, no, back. Hello, back. It's this way. The right arm. No, from the attitude. From the attitude back. So the left arm comes forward to bring you into the back with the right arm. Yeah, and then our left arm goes back. Yeah. Back, like that. Right.